Etchy's just pulling in. Let's see what he's got. Oh my goodness, there's a whole lot of stuff on there. Oh my god.
That scooter thing again.
Yeah, someone's just throwing that back in the clowns. Remember that?
Oh yeah.
It's like a little jack or I don't know.
Yeah.
Seriously.
What else you got?
G-clamp.
Same one.
Very good.
Oh, this one's different. It's got that full piece there.
Anything else on there?
Just that. Don't know what that is.
Rock.
Yeah.
Rock? Okay.
It's cheap, it's round, metal.
Okay, let's try again. There's Joshua's
nice
throw-in. What you got?
Little ginger beer bottle.
Oh, okay.
Oh, the lid.
The lid.
The rubber bit too.
She's just pulled in.
Just metal.
Just metal and
Paper. That's about it.
some paper.
Yep.
Very good.
Thank you.
Etty has just pulled in just a little stick, metal stick thing.
What the hell's that? Like a washer.
Yeah.
It's solid.
Good fun.
Oh.
Good fun.
Okay, sure someone will recognise it.
Yep. Here's the boys. Both pulling in at the same time. Josh has got something. What you got, Josh?
I don't know.
Is that like a fork?
Yeah, I don't know either.
You know, for the garden?
Oh yeah. Good find.
Big one or small one?
Small.
Why?
It does look like a fork.
Good find.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, Etty has got a bike pedal.
Looks like a decent one too.
Looks like a fairly new.
No. It's
No? Oh,
straight through. Oh, deteriorated.
yeah. We got a bike pedal.
Yeah.
Awesome.
That's about it.
What you got, Josh?
So it looks like we got a 7-Up.
7-Up.
Bottle.
Yep.
Lip cap lid. And we got just like a little bit of rock.
Some rocks.
So the main find was this.
7-Up.
7-Up.
Good find, Josh. Good find.
Okay guys, you want to see my backhand cast? I'll show you. Ooh.
Oh, good throw out, Bubs. Good throw out.
You want to see my fine-hand cast? You ready? You want to see some epic things?
Oh, careful! We could just seen you epically fall in the rip.
Hey, Mr. DJ. Ooh, something. Something.
You saw that?
We did see it. Good throw out, Josh. Good throw out. After all that fun, Etty's actually he's pulled out a bit of log
And if you want to see
and
my
some
fun,
rocks.
you're going to see the epic things on my magnet. You're going to see epic things on my
Let's see if Josh got anything after all that.
Wait, don't look.
No,
Oh!
No, just rocks.
watching my back photo? What's my back
You'll see my front foot though. I can do better than that. You're welcome, baby.
Good throw, guys. Good throw.
Now it's time to do the back limb. I'm bleeding. I'm bleeding. I'm bleeding.
Etty is pulling something in. Let's see what he's got. He's working really hard for this. Oh no.
It's my find! I'm gonna get it! It's my find!
Etty's still working on it. We've brought it close in, but it just doesn't want to seem to come out now. So we've dragged it this far, but it's not coming up now. But we're still working on it. We'll see how we go. So this is what we're hooked onto, but the magnet just keeps coming off. Ooh, so close. We'll see how we go. So close. But apparently it's not all magnetic. Some bits are and some bits aren't. So it's just about grabbing onto the right part. We'll let you know how we go. And here it comes out of the water, guys.
It's a motorbike.
And it looks like it's a motorbike. It looks like it's a motorbike. Or frame for a motorbike, actually. So here it comes. Ooh, it's a little scooter. It's a little scooter thing. Yeah. Yay! We got it.
Wasn't that 300 kg bottle properly?
Don't
Hey,
know.
is that the part of that blue thing?
Ah. Suss it out.
Good job, Etty. Good job.
Let's bring it up.
We got it. Etty's just throwing out. And he's thrown out on his own. And Josh was over there checking out his little bit of the gun that he found. Oh, I've been called over here. Oh, we found something. Oh, what's that you're pulling out? Oh my goodness. I don't know. I can't see it. Oh, did we just find a letterbox? We just found a letterbox. Oh, I love when we find odd things in the creek. I love when we find odd things in the creek, like letterboxes and ironing boards, just really odd stuff. Good find, Bubs. Are you going to go and get it? So Etty's latched back onto the letterbox. It's massive. It is huge. It's a number. There's a number on there.
Josh, can I get your help with the other one?
Oh, I love it. Oh my goodness, this is awesome. We just bought it. Oh dear. And here it comes. Here comes the letterbox. Let's hope that the magnet stays on it. But that's alright, we know where it is because we can see it. Etty will just throw out again. We'll record. We'll show you when we get it out. Thanks, guys. Okay, Etty's about to bring it up. The letterbox. Here it comes. Oh my goodness. He's so tired because this is the second big thing he's bringing in today. Oh, this is huge. Oops, it's falling apart. This is, oh my god, I can't believe we just found a letterbox.
So it looks like they cut the slab out.
And it's even got the concrete slab on the bottom.
Number 91.
Number 91.
We go to the thing, place it on there. Oh, here's a new letterbox.
So if you're at 91, we found your letterbox. Oh my goodness, it's huge.
Even got a slab and all.
It's even got the slab on the bottom. That's huge. We found the postie bike.
That's funny. Found the postie bike down there.
And now we found the post box.
Guys, if you like it, please send us number 91, all your letters.
Oh, that's huge.
We'll reply.
That's massive. I can't believe we just pulled out a letterbox. And you know what, guys? That was pulled out with a 180 kg pull magnet,
yeah,
with a concrete slab on the bottom. So that is awesome.
Wow,
that is huge.
How's that, Josh?
It's almost as tall as Joshua.
Maybe they can make it a bird nest.
Oh, awesome. Good find, Etty, good find. 91.
9.
Let's get a closer look at this. Oh my goodness.
The inside, I'll show you the inside. From behind.
Let's have a look. Is that wooden?
Yeah, the top's timber. It's ply. See the plywood?
Oh my goodness. Number 91, we found your letterbox. Good find, Etty, good find.
Only in Auburn, huh?
Only in Auburn.
They don't just take the one thing, your mail, they'll take your whole mailbox too.
Yeah. That is awesome.
Josh was just cleaning up all the rubbish, putting it all in one pile for the council to come pick up. And Alison's here.
Hi everyone. Thanks for watching today at our video. We love magnet fishing, it's the best hobby ever. We find the most amazing things, like our letterbox today. I still can't stop laughing. But the best part is that we also like to be able to clean out the rivers and our creeks, because it's not good to leave the metal, the rust, it sort of gets into the waterways. So, you know, for all our other fellow magnet fishermen, good job. And yeah, keep magnet fishing. Enjoy it. Yeah, awesome. Thank you guys. Like our video, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Yeah, so thanks for watching today. Have a great day. See ya. Bye.